Hello, today I want to talk about tinnitus. If you've done your own research, you find out that there are tons of sites out there. Most of them have good information on what tinnitus is, the causes, preventions, and things like that, but are short on treatments. One of the reasons for that is the medical community has not found a cure for tinnitus. They have some drugs and techniques that lessen the noise and some other ways of masking it, but they tell you that you have to deal with it. One person that did not accept that as an answer, and that's where I found some information I did not find out anywhere else, is in an ebook by Jeff Barkers. He again did some research and put together this ebook on different techniques that have helped other people. Now his site goes into a little bit of the research that he did, and there's a couple testimonials from people that it has helped. Um, Now, his ebook says he has 11 proven techniques. I bought the book and looked at it, and it's closer to 20. So he's really gives you a lot of information, and it's packed in a good condensed format with not a lot of fluff, and just basically gets down and tells you what you need to know. The other thing is he doesn't go into a lot about a guarantee of any type, but this is a ClickBank product, so everything through ClickBank is guaranteed, and you get your refunds right from ClickBank, so you never have to worry about not getting your refund if it's not what you expect to get. So I encourage you just to check it out and see if you think it could be a help for you. There's a link right here that you can use to go to his site, check it out, and see if it'll help.